Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. So yes, Learn with Fiza is back with another video for you all. And I'm so happy that you're here again. So, in this video, we will learn how to start conversation with a friend. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into our video. Hello, Eamon.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. So, in today's lesson, we will learn how to start a conversation with a friend. But before that, we will learn very useful words and their meanings, and with that, some key points which will help you to understand the conversation more clearly.
Oh, so we should begin now.
Sure, so let's start with our first word, which is call means bulana. Next word is where means kaha. Moving on towards our next word, why means kyun. Shameful things, शर्मनाक चीजें. Which means कौन सी. Back answer means ज़बान दराजी करना. Insult means बेइज्जती करना. Threaten means धमकाना. Moving further, violate means खिलाफ वर्जी करना. Rules, असूल और कायदे. Happen means होना. Dismiss means निकाल देना. Next word we have is from the school. School से spoil खराब करना, तबाह करना. Good name, अच्छा नाम. Our family, हमारा खानदान. Show, दिखाना. Let's learn few more words and their meanings. Then we will study some important key points. Bad day, बुरा दिन. How come? वो कैसे? Explain means समझाना. Listen to means सुनना या बात मानना. Thanks for your favor means तुम्हारी मेहरबानी. I will not forget means मैं नहीं भूलूंगा या भूलूंगी. I will never forget. मैं कभी भी नहीं भूलूंगा. Gratitude एहसान. Day after tomorrow आने वाला परसों. Him उसे या उन्हें ये मुज़क्कर वाहिद के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Them उन्हें means एक से ज़्यादा.
Now it's time to learn important points.
Correct. So our first very important point is सवाल या जुमलों को इंग्लिश में interrogative sentences कहते हैं. Next point is सवाल या जुमलों के आखिर में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगता है और अगर हम क्वेश्चन मार्क ना लगाएं तो वो जुमला गलत हो जाता है. Next point is when, why, where को क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स कहते हैं. Now next point is very important. Listen it very carefully. In this point, we will learn how to construct interrogative sentences. So, अगर सवाल या जुमलों में क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स हों तो सबसे पहले सेंटेंस में हम क्वेश्चन वर्ड प्लेस करते हैं. Then we will write helping verb and then after helping verb, we will write noun or pronoun.
Can you explain this point with the example?
Yes, sure, why not? Our first sentence is, when will you go? Here you can clearly see when is a question word, so we placed it in the beginning of a sentence, then after question word we used helping verb and then after that a pronoun which is you. Next example is, why had Samra gone? Here also you can notice that interrogative sentence started with a question word. After that we placed a helping verb and after that a pronoun.
Oh, now my all confusions are clear. But I still have a question.
Yes, please ask.
What if there is no question word, so what we will use instead of question word?
Good question. In interrogative sentences, if we don't have a question word, so सबसे पहले helping verb आता है, उसके बाद noun या pronoun आते हैं.
Okay, please clear this point with the help of example.
Yup, our first example is, will he listen to you? So here you can see there is no question word, so we started this sentence with the help of a helping verb. Next example is, had you gone? In this example also, we don't have any question word, so we started the sentences with the helping verb.
You explained very well, thanks a lot.
Welcome. Now let's check out the conversation between two friends.
Hello.
Hey, where had you gone yesterday?
I had gone to my brother's school.
In the beginning, both the friends greet each other and then the girl asked from her friend, where had you gone yesterday? Means, तुम कल कहाँ गई थी? And in reply, her friend Rumesa said, I had gone to my brother's school. Means कि मैं अपने भाई के स्कूल गई थी.
Why had you gone to your brother's school?
Because his principal had called me.
In this part, the girl asked to her friend, why had you gone to your brother's school? Means तुम अपने भाई के स्कूल क्यों गई थी? And her friend replied, because his principal had called me. Means क्योंकि उसकी principal ने मुझे बुलाया था.
Why had his principal called you?
Because my brother had done some shameful things in his school.
In this scene, first, Anam asked, Dad, why had his principal called you? Means उसके principal ने तुम्हें क्यों बुलाया था? In reply, Rumesa said, because my brother had done some shameful things in his school. Means क्योंकि मेरे भाई ने अपने स्कूल में कुछ गलत हरकतें की थीं.
Which shameful things had he done?
He had back-answered principal. He had insulted the teachers. He had threatened students. And he had violated the rules of the school.
In this part, Anam inquired that which shameful things had he done in the school? Means उसने स्कूल में कौन सी शर्मनाक हरकतें की थीं? Rumesa answered, he had back-answered the principal. He had insulted the teachers. He had threatened the students and he had violated the rules of the school. That means उसने प्रिंसिपल के साथ ज़बान दराज़ी की, उसने टीचरों की बेइज्जती की, उसने तालिबे इल्म को धमकाया और उसने स्कूल के कायदे और कवानीन की खिलाफ वर्जी की थी.
That is very bad. Now what will happen?
The principal will dismiss him from the school, and my brother will spoil the good name of our family.
God will not show you that bad day.
How come, Anam?
In this scene, first Anam said, that is very bad. Now what will happen? Means ये तो बहुत बुरी बात है, अब क्या होगा? Then Rumesa replied, the principal will dismiss him from the school and my brother will spoil the good name of our family. Means principal उसे स्कूल से निकाल देंगे और मेरा भाई हमारे ख़ानदान का अच्छे नाम को ख़राब कर देगा. And after that, her friend Anam tried to console her by saying, God will not show you that bad day. Means Allah तुम्हें वो बुरा दिन नहीं दिखाएगा. And then Rumesa asked with curiosity, how come? Means वो कैसे? Now let's check, will Anam suggest her a good solution or not?
I will explain to the principal and he will not dismiss your brother from school.
Will he listen to you?
God willing, he will listen to me.
How come?
Anam said that I will explain the principal and he will not dismiss your brother from the school. Means मैं principal को समझाऊंगी वो तुम्हारे भाई को स्कूल से खारिज नहीं करेंगे. And then Rumesa asked the obvious question that will he listen to you? Means क्या वो तुम्हारी बात को मानेंगे? Then Alam replied, God willing, he will listen to me. Means inshallah वो मेरी बात को मान लेंगे. In the end, out of curiosity, Rumesa asked, how come? Means वो कैसे?
Because he is my intimate friend.
Thanks for your favor. I will never forget your gratitude. When will you go to the principal?
If God permits, I will go day after tomorrow. It's too late, I should leave now. Bye.
Okay, bye.
In this last scene, Anam informed her friend that principal is her intimate friend, means principal उसके करीबी दोस्त हैं. Finally, Rumesa felt relieved and she said, thanks for your favor. I will never forget your gratitude. When will you go to the principal? Now that means thanks means शुक्रिया, तुम्हारी मेहरबानी या एहसान का. मैं तुम्हारे एहसान को कभी नहीं भूलूंगी. वैसे तुम प्रिंसिपल के पास कब जाओगी? Anam answered, if God permits, I will go day after tomorrow. Means अगर अल्लाह ने चाहा तो मैं परसों जाऊंगी. In the end, she said, it's too late now. I should leave now. Bye. Means अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है. मुझे चलना चाहिए. Bye. If you have learned anything from this video, so don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button. So whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. And please share this video with your family and friends. Allah Hafiz, अपनी दुआ में याद रखिएगा.